Imagine a golden orange vegetable that's as nutritious as it is delicious, capable of transforming humble dishes into culinary masterpieces. Butternut squash, with its sweet, nutty flavor and velvety texture, isn't just a seasonal favorite, it's a powerhouse of health and versatility. From its humble beginnings in the soil to its starring role in kitchens around the world, this winter squash has a story worth savoring. Butternut squash, with its rich, nutty flavor and smooth, creamy texture, is one of the most versatile and beloved winter squashes. Originating in the Americas, it has become a staple ingredient in cuisines around the world. The fruit's elongated pear shape, tan skin, and vibrant orange flesh are as distinctive as its flavor. Its appeal lies not only in its taste but also in its nutritional profile, as it is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that make it a healthy addition to any diet. Understanding the journey of butternut squash from cultivation to the table reveals its importance in both agriculture and gastronomy. The story of butternut squash begins in the fields, where its cultivation demands patience and care. As a member of the Cucurbitaceae family, it thrives in warm climates and requires fertile, well-drained soil for optimal growth. The plant grows as a vine, sprawling across the ground, with large, broad leaves that protect its fruits from direct sunlight. Farmers often plant it in the late spring, giving it ample time to mature over the summer months. The squash develops from a cluster of bright yellow flowers, which are pollinated by bees and other insects. As the fruit grows, it transitions from a green hue to its signature tan color, indicating that it is ready for harvest. Proper timing is crucial during harvesting, as underripe or overripe squash can affect its flavor and texture. Once harvested, the squash undergoes a curing process to enhance its sweetness and extend its shelf life. Curing involves allowing the squash to sit in a warm, dry place for several days, during which its starches convert into natural sugars. This step is vital in unlocking the rich, sweet flavor that butternut squash is known for. After curing, the squash can be stored for several months, making it an excellent ingredient for winter cooking. Its hardy skin protects the flesh inside, ensuring that it remains fresh and flavorful even during long storage periods. In the kitchen, butternut squash shines as a culinary star, offering endless possibilities for creative cooking. Its dense, orange flesh is perfect for roasting, which brings out its natural sweetness and enhances its nutty flavor. It can also be pureed into soups, providing a velvety base for hearty, warming dishes. Chefs often pair it with complementary ingredients such as sage, nutmeg, and cinnamon to create complex flavor profiles. Butternut squash can be diced and added to stews, mashed as a side dish, or even spiralized into noodles as a low-carb pasta alternative. Its seeds, often overlooked, are a crunchy and nutritious snack when roasted. The squash's adaptability makes it a favorite ingredient in both savory and sweet recipes. Beyond its culinary uses, butternut squash is a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a range of health benefits. It is an excellent source of vitamins A and C, which support immune function and skin health. The fruit also contains significant amounts of potassium, aiding in muscle function and heart health, as well as dietary fiber, which promotes digestive wellness. Its beta-carotene content, responsible for its vibrant orange color, acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and improving eye health. For those seeking to manage their weight or adopt a healthier diet, butternut squash provides a low-calorie, nutrient-dense option that fits seamlessly into various meal plans. Butternut squash's journey from seed to plate reflects its significance in agriculture, nutrition, and culinary arts. Its versatility and health benefits have made it a cherished ingredient worldwide, celebrated for its ability to transform simple dishes into memorable culinary experiences. Whether roasted, pureed, or incorporated into complex recipes, butternut squash continues to captivate taste buds and nourish bodies, proving that this humble winter squash truly deserves its place in kitchens around the globe. From farm fields to festive feasts, butternut squash has proven itself to be more than just a vegetable. It's a celebration of flavor, nutrition, and creativity. Whether you enjoy it roasted, pureed, or spiced in a hearty soup, its unique taste and health benefits make it a timeless favorite. As you explore new ways to savor this versatile squash, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're embracing a tradition that connects nature's bounty with culinary art.